So today we're going to look at how to verify your Facebook page. This is a question I get asked quite a lot. One, what is verifying your Facebook page? Well, that simply means that you are legitimizing your Facebook business page. Anybody can create a Facebook business page, but you want people to know that that page is the official one that's linked to your website. And then you get a little grey tick. So it's not a page that someone's made up. It is the official business page that links to your business. So it's really important to get it verified for that reason. But it's also really important to get it verified because it means you will rank higher in the search engines on Facebook. So when people are searching for products and services that you might be able to provide, Facebook are going to rank you higher in those searches because you're a verified page. So it's really important to get that little grey tick next to your name. Unfortunately, Facebook has also been reducing the availability of Facebook page verification. So back in 2018, they slowly started taking that option off some people's pages, which is highly frustrating. And it was generally because people had more than one page associated with their business. So if you just got one page, it's a bit easier and you're likely to have that verification button. If you haven't, there are other things that we need to do. But today we're just going to look at how you verify it if you have got that button. One thing to remember, when we're looking at verifying your page, your phone number must be the same on your Facebook business page as it is on your website, because Facebook will double check that to make sure it's the same number to help in the verification process. So obviously you also need your website on there as well. So I'm going to share my screen with you and I'm going to take you through step by step how to verify your Facebook page if you've got that option. Okay, so I'm just going to share my screen. This is a page I manage for our local squash club. And what we're going to do is we're going to go over to here in the settings. Now, what we're aiming to achieve is a little grey tick here, a little grey circle with a white tick. And that says that page is verified and it's a legitimate page associated with that business. Obviously, as you can see, we've not created a username yet. Again, I'll do that in a different tutorial. I'll show you how to do that. But for today, we're just going to look at verifying your pages. So what we do is we head over here to where it says settings. It's going to load up. Okay, now here we have a whole bunch of stuff, and it's here. What he says, page verification. At the moment, it says page is not verified. So what we do is we just click edit here and click on verify this page. Okay, now what it's going to do is it's going to ask you for your phone number. And remember, it's got to be the phone number that is the same number that's on the website. So here I'm going to type in my mobile number because it's associated on the website. Okay. Type in my phone number, and then have you noticed I have put the 0 after the +44? That's a little glitch that Facebook does. If you don't put the 0 in, it doesn't work. You've got to put the whole number in that matches the number of your website. Now then, what it's going to do is it's going to call me now. So we click this button here, call now. What this is going to do is it's going to phone me on my phone with an automated code, which we're going to put in here. There we go. That's Facebook phoning. I'm going to answer that. And we're just going to put in the code that they call out. Okay, so that's the code. Generally, you either get an Irish man or an American lady. I just got an American lady then. And we just press continue. Now, this should verify your page. Now, it's going to come up with some error codes quite often. So, for example, here it says the content is no longer available. The content you requested cannot be displayed right now. It may be temporarily unavailable. The link may have expired, or you do not have permission to view this page. Quite often you will get an error message like this, but sometimes it does still work. So we press continue, we'll close that, and we'll see if it's worked. So we go back to our page, and here we go, it's worked. Now we have a little grey tick. So you may quite often get an error message to say it's not worked or whatever. It probably has worked. So if you see here, we've now got the grey verification badge, which confirms that this is an authentic page for this business or organisation. And this now means that our page is going to rank higher in the search on Facebook. So it's a really valuable tool. Facebook are phasing these out. So if you do have that option to verify your page, which I went over on here, now it says my page is verified. If you have that option, please do verify it if you can. You do need a website in order to verify this. So if you haven't got a website, it's not going to work. If you haven't got the option, this will completely be missing. So please do have a look and do get your page verified. It is worth it to get this little grey tick. Okay, well, I hope you found that useful. Please remember to subscribe to my YouTube channel, where I'll be sharing lots more videos like this. And if you ever have a question or you're not sure on how to do anything, let me know and I'll happily make a tutorial video for you. So let me know if you managed to verify your page. I would love to find out how you get on. Hope you found it useful, and we'll see you again soon. Thanks. Bye.